The world is full of complicated things. Sometimes we have to invent simple things in order to create joy and happiness in the world. And that's what airwaves are all about.
There is a huge and ever-increasing problem with overcrowding at surf spots all over the world. In addition, modern coastal towns and cities are searching for more ways for their communities to enjoy their beaches. Airwaves are designed to produce world-class beach break conditions anywhere there is swell, limit erosion, and encourage multi-usage of beaches. Imagine how amazing it would be if you could just quickly install an inflatable surf reef underwater, then just wait for the next swell to enjoy waves on it. Imagine being able to transform your local beach into a magical stretch of multiple A-frame peaks. When beach wave conditions become more organised, more people can enjoy the waves created. In addition to skilled surfers, surf schools, beginners, mums and handicapped surfers can all enjoy the new variety of waves created in a simpler and safer environment. Youth in coastal communities would more likely be drawn to the naturally healthy sport of surfing and away from the scourge of screens and technology. Airwave inflatable surf reefs could make this a possibility at a beach near you. My name is Troy Bodigal from Yallingup in Western Australia. 10 years ago, I sat at my local beach, staring sadly at the infinite amount of closeouts, unable to motivate myself to paddle out. I asked myself, how could I transform these closeouts into surfable A-frame peaks? After 10 years of research, design, patenting and product development, I am ready to install and test the world's first inflatable surf reef. The Airwave is a 12-metre round, 2-metre high, dome-shaped ladder designed to make an A-frame where there was merely a closeout before. The Airwave's inflatable dome is shaped to mimic a surf reef's shallow leading edge, lifting, peaking and hollowing the swell to create a concave, tapered wall of water. Because the Airwave is installed in relatively shallow water, the concave wall retains its shape as it peels towards the beach. Airwaves can also be installed as close as 30 metres from the beach. The Airwave is simply constructed from a long-life, super strong, environmentally safe compound and is designed to have minimal adverse effects on the surrounding environment. It is very simple and quick to install. These features enable it to be very economical and affordable to install in multiple locations along any stretch of beach, creating multiple surf peaks. This means more waves for more surfers in more locations. For instance, 6 Airwave installations at the same stretch of beach could be accomplished in around 14 days. That's 6 new wave sites in 2 weeks. Compare this with the 12 to 24 months for a typical offshore surf reef with only 1 wave site created. Because the Airwave is installed relatively close to the beach, it has the added advantage of being very quick and safe to paddle out to, ideal for beginners and kids, while still working for more experienced surfers in larger swells. Being partially filled with air makes for a safer surf experience all around. I believe that the Airwave will bring many more amazing waves to many more of the world's surf beaches, which means more happier surfers around the world.